You're using Notion databases wrong, and it's costing you hours of productivity every week. Most people create a database and stick with the basic table view, but Notion has 7 powerful database views that can transform how you organize and visualize your data. Here's the problem. You've got all your project data, tasks, and notes stored in Notion, but you're drowning in information because you can't see what matters when it matters. You're scrolling through endless rows in table view, missing deadlines, and losing track of priorities. According to Notion's 2024 user behavior study, over 80% of users never explore beyond the default table view, missing out on features that could double their productivity. Let me show you how to master all 7 Notion database views and create a system that actually works for you. First, let's start with the foundation. Open your existing Notion database or create a new one by clicking the plus icon and selecting Database. I'm using a project management database as our example. You'll see the default table view at the top, but notice that small drop-down arrow next to your database title. That's your gateway to database views. Click on that drop-down and you'll see the Add a View option. This is where the magic happens. The first view we're setting up is the board view, perfect for Kanban-style project management. Click Add a View, select Board, and name it Project Pipeline. Choose your status property as the grouping field. Now drag and drop your tasks between columns like To Do, In Progress, and Complete. This visual workflow instantly shows you bottlenecks and progress at a glance. Next, let's create a timeline view. Click Add a View again, select Timeline, and name it Project Schedule. This view requires date properties, so make sure your database has start and end date fields. The timeline view creates a Gantt chart showing project overlaps, dependencies, and deadlines. According to Notion's latest feature documentation, the timeline view now supports drag-and-drop rescheduling, making project adjustments effortless. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily to help you master the tools that matter. Now for the calendar view, click Add a View, select Calendar, and choose your deadline date property. This view is perfect for content creators, event planners, or anyone managing time-sensitive tasks. You can drag tasks directly on the calendar to reschedule them, and the monthly overview helps prevent overcommitting. The gallery view transforms your database into a visual showcase. Create this view and select an image property as your card preview. This works brilliantly for product catalogs, portfolio pieces, or visual project tracking. Each database entry becomes a beautiful card with your chosen image prominently displayed. Here's where it gets really powerful, the list view. This creates a clean, minimal display perfect for simple task lists or reading lists. Add filters to create focused views like today's tasks or high-priority items. Click the filter button at the top of your view and set conditions like status equals to do and priority equals high. The map view is Notion's newest addition, released in their September 2024 update. If your database includes location data, this view plots your entries on an interactive map. Real estate agents, travel planners, and field service teams can visualize their data geographically. Add location properties to your database entries and watch them appear as pins on the map. Now let's talk about view customization. Each view can have unique filters, sorts, and properties displayed. Click the 3 dots menu in any view to access these options. Create a urgent tasks view by filtering for items due this week and sorting by priority. Build a completed projects view by filtering for finished items and hiding irrelevant properties. Here's a pro tip most users miss: view templates. When you create a new database entry from a specific view, you can set default property values. In your board view, click New in the To Do column, and new tasks automatically get that status. This maintains data consistency and saves time. The real power comes from switching between views based on your current need. Use Table View for data entry and detailed editing. Switch to Board View for workflow management. Jump to Calendar View for deadline planning. Timeline View for project scheduling. Each view serves a specific purpose in your productivity workflow. Advanced users should explore view linking across databases. Create a master projects database with Timeline View, then link related tasks from a separate tasks database. The Timeline View can display linked items, giving you project overviews with task details just a click away. Database templates become even more powerful with multiple views. When you duplicate a database template, all custom views come with it. Build your perfect project management setup once, then replicate it instantly for new projects. The Notion template gallery now features over 200 database templates with pre-configured views, according to their December 2024 community update. Don't forget about view permissions in team environments. Database views can have different sharing settings, so your overview view might be public while your admin view stays private. Click the Share button and set view-specific permissions to control what team members see. Here's your action plan. Start with your most used database and create 3 views. Keep your existing table view for data entry, add a board or list view for daily workflow, and create a filtered view for your most important items. Once you experience the productivity boost, you'll naturally expand to other view types. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These 7 database views aren't just features, they're productivity multipliers that adapt to how your brain processes information. Subscribe for more Notion tutorials and tech tips that transform how you work with digital tools.